On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we'll cover the basics of Sass. We will explain the basic features of Sass step by step and demonstrate how to use them with practical sample code. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Sass, Syntactically Awesome Stylesheets, is a stylesheet language that extends CSS. By using Sass, you can take advantage of advanced features not available in CSS, such as variables, nesting, mixins, and inheritance. This makes stylesheet management and reuse much easier. Sass is a language that simplifies CSS writing while enabling more flexible and powerful styling. Sass also offers the SCSS, Sassy CSS, syntax, which is similar to standard CSS syntax. Here is an example. To use Sass, first install Node.js and then install Sass using the following command. To compile Sass files, SCSS, or Sass, into CSS, use the following command. When compiled, the Sass file will be converted into CSS like this. You can also use the Watch option to monitor file changes and perform real-time compilation. Sass allows you to use variables to reuse values like colors and font sizes. This code uses Sass variables to define colors and fonts, and reuses them within the body selector to enhance consistency and maintainability. When compiled, the Sass file will be converted into CSS like this. Sass improves code readability by allowing CSS selectors to be nested. This code uses nested hierarchy to visually clarify the structure of the styles. When compiled, the Sass file will be converted into CSS like this. Mixins allow you to reuse code across multiple selectors. This code defines a border radius style using @mixin and reuses it in button and card using @include, enabling efficient styling without duplication. When compiled, the Sass file will be converted into CSS like this. Inheritance lets you apply existing styles to other selectors. This code defines a placeholder selector, %button style, and uses @extend to apply common styles to both button and link button, promoting reuse and consistency. When compiled, the SAS file will be converted into CSS like this. SAS supports conditionals and loops to dynamically generate styles. This code uses SASS's if function to switch background and text colors based on the $theme value, enabling dynamic style generation through conditionals. This code uses a SAS @for loop to dynamically generate classes from column 1 to column 3. When compiled, the SAS file will be converted into CSS like this. SAS allows you to split files and reuse them using @use or @import. When compiled, the SAS file will be converted into CSS like this. Using SAS streamlines CSS writing and improves code reusability and maintainability. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.